Welcome to our channel. Arlo Smart Lock offline. Fix connection Wi-Fi issues. Step 1. Check the lock power. Start by checking the batteries in your Arlo Smart Lock. If the battery is low, replace or recharge it as recommended for your model. A weak battery can cause connection problems. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi. Make sure your home Wi-Fi is working properly. Connect your phone to the same network and open a website to confirm that the internet is active. Step 3. Restart your router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router from power and wait about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and give it a few minutes to reconnect to the internet. Step 4. Check the Arlo app. Open the Arlo Secure app and check the device status. If the lock or its connected hub is showing as offline, continue with the next steps. Step 5. Move closer to the router or hub. If the lock is far from your router or connected Arlo hub, the signal may be weak. Try reducing the distance and avoiding thick walls or large metal objects between the devices. Step 6. Check your Wi-Fi settings. Make sure your network name and password have not recently changed. If you recently replaced your router or changed Wi-Fi credentials, the Arlo device may need to be connected to the updated network. Step 7. Restart the Arlo device. Power cycle the lock or its connected Arlo device according to your model's instructions. Wait a moment, then turn it back on and check the Arlo app again. Step 8. Check for network interference. Too many nearby wireless devices or crowded Wi-Fi networks can affect connectivity. Try placing the router or Arlo hub in a more open location with fewer obstructions. Step 9. Update the Arlo app and device. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Arlo Secure app. Arlo devices can also receive firmware updates when connected to the network. Step 10. Reset and reconnect. If nothing else works, use the official reset procedure for your specific Arlo Smart Lock or connected hub. A factory reset can remove existing settings, so use it only after trying the simpler fixes and be prepared to set the device up again. Thanks for watching.